Children, how are you? Children, today again I'm going to continue with exercise 10.1. Okay, so today I'll tell you how to do and solve this question number 4, that is evaluate. Okay, so the question says that we have to evaluate 8 raised to power minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 upon 2 raised to minus 4. Okay, so 8 को हम 2 के पावर्स में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 8 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, that is 2 raised to 3. Okay, 2 raised to 3 क्यों? क्योंकि 2 is multiplied 3 times. Okay, now so in place of 8 we can write 2 raised to power 3 and the whole power minus 1. See here the minus 1 power is there, so we have to put it here into 5 raised to power 3 upon 2 minus 4. Okay, now see 2 अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट जब किसी भी बेस के 2 पावर्स होते हैं तो वी मल्टीप्लाई दैट पावर्स, दैट इज m is also the base power of x and n is also the power of x. So what will happen? Okay, according to laws of exponents we are going to multiply this whole power and it will be m into n. Likewise here also, okay, 3 will be multiplied with minus 1 and we will get minus 3 into 5 raised to power 3 upon 2 raised to power minus 4. Okay children, now see, here the base are same, the powers are different, and here the operation of division is applied, that is 2 raised to power minus 3, 2 raised to power minus 4. Okay, so according to the question of laws of exponents, when the bases are same, the powers are different and the operation of division is applied, the powers are subtracted, that is n minus n. Okay, so it will be 2, base will be the same as 2 minus 3, and because it will get subtracted, so minus in bracket minus 4. Whenever any integer is negative you should keep it inside the bracket. Okay, into 5 raised to power 3. Okay, now 2 minus 3 and then the bracket will open, the minus sign अगर बाहर होता है तो what will happen? This minus minus will get plus into 5 raised to power 3. Okay, now 4 minus plus minus होता है, so 4 minus 3 will be 1. So 2 into 5 raised to power 3. This is the answer. You can keep this value in the form of power also, or you can further you can solve it. Okay, so I hope you got this. And the second part of this fourth question is we have to evaluate 5 minus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by 6 raised to power minus 1. Okay, तो ये 5 raised to power minus 1 पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए पावर को we will write the reciprocal, so it will be 1 upon 5 into 2 raised to power minus 1, और आप कह सकते हैं 2 raised to किसी का भी पावर जब नेगेटिव 1 होता है then we can write its reciprocal, so it will be 1 by 2 into 6 raised to power minus 1, that is 1 by 6. Okay, now 1 multiplied by 1, 5 2s are 10 into 1 by 6. 1 1s are 1 and 10 6s are 60. Isn't it so simple? Okay. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. In question number 5, we have to find the value of m, that is this power m, okay, for which 5 raised to power m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. क्वेश्चन का मतलब समझिए पहले, मतलब हमको m की वो वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है जिससे m raised to whatever the value divided by 5 raised to minus 3 should be equal to 5 raised to 5. Okay, so here we can apply the laws of exponents. See children, 5 raised to power m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. Okay, जब base same होता है, okay, I'm writing the log here, x raised to power m divided by x raised to power m, और बीच में division operation applied होता है, the powers are subtracted. Okay, likewise we are going to apply the same law here. So 5 is the base, division operation is applied, so the powers will get subtracted, that is m minus, because it means the power is negative, we are going to keep it inside the bracket, is equal to 5 raised to power m. Okay, now the next step will be m minus plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power. Okay children, now the very important step, the bases are same. Now we don't have to take this basis, now we just will compare this powers. Okay, इस base का power m plus 3 है, we are going to compare it with this power, that is 5. Okay, now plus 3